Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today, as you can tell, we're not in the shop. We're actually home in my home office. And we're going to try something I've never done before, and we're going to see how it works out. If there's no complications and everything goes smooth, I will continue with everything that's sent to me by the outside companies. A lot of this stuff that is sent to me, I really don't have a use for it because I already have most of this stuff in doubles and triples at work, so I really don't have a use for it. Most of it just goes on the shelf and it winds up sitting there until it just gets in my way and I wind up donating it or throwing it away. So what I decided to do is I'm going to actually, I saw something on YouTube that somebody else had done, or a couple of people I should say. It's called a random comment picker. And for anybody who leaves a comment underneath a video that I choose, I will go through this random comment picker and we will find a winner and we will send whatever item it's going to be. Today we're going to talk about a BoreScope, so that's the item we're going to start with first. I will tell you this, I know that I have already a couple of things that I want to do this with. One is a BoreScope. It's a smaller BoreScope that actually has to be the software has got to be downloaded into your computer or your phone, and then it comes with a big, very long extension. The picture quality is better than a 1080p. It has a light on the end of it, so whether you're working on a car or you're home working in your house, you can use it wherever you choose to. If you're working on it with a car, as you know, a lot of times with a car when you're working, you'll try to get up underneath there and you really can't see where you're leaking antifreeze, you're leaking motor oil. Sometimes it's difficult to tell. With this, what you do is it's just a very long, like a wire, and you have the camera on the end of the wire, and you can snake it through wherever you need to so you can actually look up and see where the leak is coming from on your computer or your phone or whatever you download the software to. So I'm going to show it to you, and I'll show you what it looks like, how it works. I'll put a link down the bottom. I'll read a little bit of the comments that the company actually has on their Amazon store, and then we'll talk about the procedure with the random comment picker. All right, so first thing I want to do is I want to tell you the company's name. The company name is called Teslong. All right, I will tell you this. This is what I was going to tell you actually. I have this one here which was sent to me. I also have another BoreScope that was sent to me as well. So I have two BoreScopes. This one here is a less expensive one. The other one is a more expensive one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to see how it actually works out with the random comment picker. As long as there's no complications and everything goes smooth, I will continue on a regular basis. I know, like I said, I have this one, I have another BoreScope, I also have a camera that is actually mounts up on your dashboard. It's a front-facing camera that has a screen on it where it'll actually film anything that's going on, down the road. But we'll get into that, at a later date. But today we're going to talk about this. All right, this is the one that they sent to me, and I'm going to start with this one just because I don't know how the random comment picker is going to actually work. So we'll see how it goes. Now, obviously, it does come with your user manual, your owner's manual, to tell you how to go about installing it onto your computer or your phone. One thing I did see on here is it has a couple of different attachments, what they look like. These are the different attachments that go underneath the camera itself. This is some kind of an adapter from the, bring it out, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this is the camera here itself. Let's open it up and take a look at it, see what it looks like. According to what it says here on my computer, it's supposed to be a 16-foot cable that comes with it. So let's take a look at it and see. Honestly, I did not download it to my computer because I really don't have I'm not going to use it myself. Like I said, I'm going to give it to you guys, or whoever the lucky person may be. This is the camera end here, and as you can see, it's fairly rigid, where you can put it up through wherever you need to, into a wall, underneath the car, whatever. Okay, and like I said, it comes with a couple of different attachments like this. It does have a very long cable that comes with it, and it has a switch on here that you can control. You know what? Let me plug it in the computer here. And like I said, I didn't download the software, so I'm not going to be able to show you what it looks like on my computer. But this is the light itself, and the light is adjustable. You can make it dimmer, or you can make it brighter, whatever you need to when you have the light down in a location that needs more lighting. It does also come with an adapter, it looks like, if you're for your phone itself. It does come with the small little adapter like this that you could put on the end over here, like that. And now this will be able to plug into your phone, so you can download the software and have your phone in front of you, so you can use the BoreScope to go down and see where your problem actually lies. All right. There is another piece here. Don't know exactly what this is here, but they do have a bunch of other attachments that come with it as well. One of them has actually got a mirror that connects onto it, I guess, so if you need to get in someplace that's a tight spot. All right, so that is the company again, Teslong. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to give this. We're going to do a random comment picker to see what subscriber is going to win it. I do appreciate everything. I think we're almost up to 80,000 subscribers now, which is a milestone that I never could imagine I would have gotten to. But you know, thanks to you guys, I'm actually very close to it right now. What I will do is on this video, I'm not going to leave a. Let me just go back into my computer here. I want to open up my page. Okay, the video that I'm going to actually upload, it's going to be, give me 1 second, let me find it. Okay, it's going to be, the one I'm going to do is actually the video that I'm going to pick a random comment from. It's going to be a video that I'm going to post today, and it's going to be how to replace parking brake shoes on a 2002 to a 2010 Ford Explorer. Anybody who comments on that video, I'm going to use that. All of the comments on there, I'm going to use for the random comment picker, and hopefully everything goes smooth. I don't know if we can do it throughout the entire world. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick to this. Is going to be anybody who lives within the United States. So on the end of each comment, I'd like you to put on the back of the comment or after the comment, or better yet, put it in front of the comment. You know, USA, Kentucky, or Virginia, or Delaware, or Florida, whatever state you're in, make sure you put it on there, because anybody who lives in the United States will be, eligible for this random comment picker. And now, when I do the random comment that is going to be picked, not by me, but by this random comment picker, I will do that live too, so that way anybody who wants to watch it, you can see who is going to be the winner of this one. All right, but I do want to read this to you. Like I said, I'll put a link down there. It says, this is the 3rd generation USB BoreScope Teslong auto focusing camera with a 5.0 megapixel. It will work on any Android phones. It'll work on OTG function. Don't know what that means, but it'll work on that. It'll work on MacBook, Windows, and with the Windows PC. But I will put a link down below. You take a look at it and see if it's something that you'd like. And like I said, I'll send it to you. It'll be free of charge to enter to whoever wins the comment picker. All right, so I hope this goes well. If it goes well, we'll continue on a regular basis, giving away the other stuff, because truthfully, both myself and Mrs. Jim the Car Guy would like to see a lot of this stuff go, because it's a lot of clutter. And if somebody can use it, I'd be more than happy to donate it to anybody. All right, so let me know what you think. And if anybody has any advice on this random comment picker, I appreciate any input that anybody has to let me know the good, the bad, or how it works, or if any of you guys have even used it yourself. I know a lot of my friends may have used it. I know one in particular who did use it, and I have not spoken to him yet to see how it worked, but I think it was bad. I would have heard about it. All right, so I'm going to put this video up, and tonight I'm going to post that other video, or maybe tomorrow. tomorrow I'll post this other video, and we'll see how this goes. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.